Hi, what are you doing, Eric? Oh, are you grinning, huh? Are you grinning? Are you going to talk to us? Say hi, Great Grandma Pat. Hi, Cousin Peyton. You want to come hang out with me? We'll go to the beach. What are you doing, huh? What is that? Are you going to grin for me? What are you doing, huh? Oh, look at how cute. Yes, he's a cute boy, huh? Who's a handsome boy with a duck? Say hi, this is my throttle finger. Yeah, right here. This is what I'm going to go racing with and get Mom's better.